Kings did not build empires by being fair. They built them by understanding power, controlling perception, and moving before anyone else saw the opportunity. Yet today, in the most asymmetric wealth transfer in modern history, people still play the game blindly, emotionally, predictably. Here's the truth no one wants to admit. Most people trying to become crypto millionaires in 2026 aren't failing because they lack intelligence. They're failing because they're being used. This is going to sound completely wrong. The more you try to get rich in crypto, the more likely you are to stay broke. The common approach is flawed. People chase pumps. They follow influencers. They react emotionally. That's not investing. That's participating in someone else's exit liquidity. The real game is positioning before the attention arrives. Not hype, not luck, timing combined with asymmetric risk. And there is one strategy in this video that quietly outperforms 90% of traders. I'll show you in a minute, because one of these methods turns small capital into exponential gains without needing to predict the market perfectly. Most people ignore it. And that's exactly why it works. What people normally do is buy altcoins after they're already pumped 200%, 500%, sometimes even 1,000%. By the time you see it, early investors are already preparing to sell. Price follows attention, but profit comes before attention. The better approach is to accumulate during boredom, when no one is talking, when charts are flat, when sentiment is dead. Markets move in cycles: accumulation, expansion, euphoria, and then collapse. Most people only enter during euphoria. Smart money, however, enters during accumulation. To do this, identify strong projects with real narratives. Buy slowly over time using dollar cost averaging and ignore short-term price action. Start with 5 to 10% of your capital and increase conviction as the market confirms direction. Here's where it gets interesting. Most people focus only on the charts and the technical indicators. That's a mistake. Charts follow stories. Every cycle is driven by narratives. DeFi, NFTs, AI, Layer 2 scaling. The better move is to invest in narratives before they peak. Capital flows like attention. Where attention goes, money flows. Early narrative positioning creates exponential upside. Track emerging sectors on platforms like X, watch developer activities, and identify ecosystems that are growing. Start with small bets across multiple narratives, then double down on the ones gaining traction. This is the part most people miss. Most people go all in on one coin. That's not conviction. That's gambling. The better strategy, however, is asymmetrical bets. Small risk with massive upside. You don't need to be right often. You just need one or two outsized winners. Structure your portfolio of 60% in safer assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum, 30% in mid-risk projects, and 10% in high-risk opportunities. Rebalance after major gains and shift profits into safer assets over time. And this changes everything. Unfortunately, most people try to perfectly time entries and exits. Even professionals fail at this consistently. The better approach is to stay positioned. Crypto moves fast, And missing just a few days can mean missing most of those gains. Hold core positions long term. Use volatility to your advantage and avoid emotional selling and trading. Extend your time horizon and think in cycles, not days. If you're finding value in this channel, subscribe, because this is the kind of strategy most people never hear. Now, here's the strategy I mentioned earlier. Most people look for the guaranteed winners. That's the trap. There are none. Instead, you should focus on the 10x rule. Invest in projects that could 10x, not ones that already have 10x. A single 10x can cover multiple losses. That's asymmetric math. Evaluate projects by asking, is the market cap still low? Is the narrative early? And is adoption growing? If the answer is yes, there's potential. Take profits at 2x, 5x, and 10x levels by laddering out of your trade. Then recycle the capital into new opportunities or your safer, more secure altcoins. Here's where it gets dangerous. Most people panic during dips and FOMO during pumps. That behavior turns into exit liquidity. The better approach is pre-planned decisions. Remove emotion from execution. Set your entry and exit rules before investing. Use stop losses if needed. And define profit-taking levels in advance. Then refine your system every single cycle. Becoming a crypto millionaire in 2026 is not luck, it's a system. Accumulate when no one cares. Follow narratives early. Use asymmetrical position sizing. Stay in the market long term. Target 10x opportunities. Control your emotions. No hype, no guessing, no chasing, just positioning. Because in crypto, wealth doesn't go to the smartest. It goes to the most prepared. And right now, you're earlier than you think.